Sirikal ma Ingereza komakore gi sirkand kaunti ma Busia ochiwo puonj maonge chudo ma loko wach gi lwedo ne jochiw thieth e osiptande ma Busia kaka yo makende mabiro konyo e chiwo thieth ne jogo modak gi ng'ol maonge chochni moro amora. Puonj ma kama en mano mageto jogo modak gi ng'ol mar winjo mondo omi jochiw thieth yot ma tudore kodgi e kinde ma gilimogi osiptal. Jochiw thieth bende nolero achiedhnade mag koso lai maber mar tudruok ma gisebedo ka gikadho e kinde ma gichiwo thieth e kaunti ma Busia ni kod jolok wach matin nono ka koro maeri osebedo ka kelo achiedhnade machuno jotuo mondo tudre gi laktache kokalo e yor andika.
Today basically has come in as an opportunity, given that we have had challenges initially trying to give service to persons with hearing impairment. But basically today, we see this as a great move for the governor and the British government coming in partnership to give us an experience or just these learning skills on sign language. I believe from here, especially since all cadres are covered, we are going to be able to serve persons with hearing impairment diligently. And of course, given that also gender-based violence activism and advocacy is coming up, I believe this is the right moment, and we really do appreciate this move, this learning.
Today we are here at Busia County with healthcare workers from the county, and we are trying to help them with knowledge around disability mainstreaming and advocacy at their places of work. First, what is disability beyond the physical impairment, but the societal barriers that lead to discrimination and stigmatization. They have been able to learn about the basics of disability, from the techniques, assessing someone who has a disability and how to interact, communicate, and just give the appropriate treatment to a patient who has a disability.